Battles need rules, you know. Select your training partner. Pick your favorite character. Training is a go.
Not losing to anyone.
I don't want to lose either.
In that case, let's win!
I'll show you what I can do.
You're just itching for a fight, aren't you? Can't wait to see what you've got.
I'll win. I'll flatten
I'll blast you away.
Hey,
I'm ready for that.
stop me in my tracks.
Get him close. Away.
Get ready to fly. Now, over here, I'm a bit busy right now.
Get in there. To the
Wrap.
feeling it. Follow through.
Good. Get ready to fly. You sure know how to
Do this
fight.
with me. Take that. Blast away.
Good.
No letting up.
You want to win? Try harder. I'm a bit busy.
Look out
right
front.
Hey, this, I have
To the head.
Can you keep up?
Now we're talking. Blast away.
Know how to fight. Well now,
If you want to win, try hard.
any idea what this is? Can you keep up?
Take that. To the head. My cursed energy I'm sensing, isn't it?
You're good.
Whoa.
Oh no, sure know how to
Let's
fight.
get them together.
Whoop. Any idea what this is?
Leave it with me.
Can you keep up?
Try harder. Blast away. Gotta take this chance.
I can
Look
stop
out
that.
front.
Get ready to fly.
Look
can
out
stop
front. Leave it with me.
Any idea what this is?
Throw. Blast away.
Any
Leave it
idea
with
what
me.
this is? Over here?
Get rid of me that. Beat it.
Have you considered running? Here, I try touching this.
Hope you're ready for this. Not
Sure know
done
how
yet.
to fight. Try to.
Take that. I'll wipe you out. Blast you away.
You want to win? Show me a good time, would you? Try touching this. Whoop. You want to win? Try harder. Well now.
Checkmate.
Get ready to fly.
I'm not done yet.
You want to win? Try harder. I'm only getting started. Try touching this boy.
I can finish. Come on. Move. I'm still in this. Gotcha. No.
Can you keep up?
You got him. Follow through. Get serious. Go. Keep the pressure.
Can you keep up?
Got you. Blast the power. I'm feeling it.
Fight starts now.
Blast away. Go. All according to plan. Now we're Kick him up. Blast away.
You want to win? Try harder. Nothing to be ashamed of.
Like burst of energy I'm sensing, isn't it?
Nothing to be ashamed of. Didn't give up.
Don't fool me.